Today I'll be teaching you about the respiratory system. Okay, so one of the main questions you might be asking is, what does the respiratory system actually do? Well, the respiratory system has many functions. Besides it helping you to inhale, breathe in, and exhale, breathe out. It allows you to talk and to smell. It allows it, allow, it allows you to deliver oxygen to the cells in your body. It removes waste, such as carbon dioxide, from the body when you exhale, and it also protects your airways of harmful substances and irritants. What are the parts of the respiratory system? The respiratory system has many different parts that work together. All these parts help you breathe. So, your airways deliver air to your lungs. Your airways are a system that include your mouth and nose. These are openings that pull the air from outside your body into your body. The pharynx, also known as the throat, it's a tube that delivers air from your mouth and nose to the trachea, also known as the windpipe. The trachea is the main passageway of air that connects your throat and lungs. The the um the lungs are two organs that remove oxygen from the air and pass it onto your blood. So, from your lungs, your bloodstream delivers oxygen to all your organs and other tissues. The diaphragm is a muscle that helps your lungs pull in air and push it out. The ribs are bones that surround and protect your lungs and heart. When you breathe out, your blood carries carbon dioxide with other waste out of the body. Other components that work with the lungs and blood vessels are the alveoli. The alveoli are tiny sacs of air in the lungs where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place. This is possible because the walls of the alveoli are really thin, so that carbon dioxide and oxygen can go through the walls. The bronchioles are small branches of bronchial tubes that lead to the alveoli. The capillaries are blood vessels in the alveoli walls that move oxygen and carbon dioxide. The cilia are tiny hairs that filter dust and other irritants out of your airways, and the cilia is mainly located in your nose. The epiglottis is a tissue flap at the entrance to the trachea that closes when you swallow to keep food and liquids out of your airway. The larynx is a voice box that is a hollow organ that allows you to talk and make sounds when air moves in and out. So, this is the nose where the cilia is located. The cilia filters out dust and pollutants. This is the larynx, right under the nose, and this is the pharynx, which is the mouth. And so this is the trachea, this part right here that connects to the lungs, and right above that is the throat. So the trachea connects the lungs and the throat. So inside the lungs, there are tiny sacs of air called alveoli. These alveoli allow gas exchange to take place, and the walls of the alveoli are really thin, so it allows carbon dioxide and oxygen to go through. So the bronchus are like tubes that help the alveoli branch out into different portions of the lungs. There's a right lung and a left lung. And the bronchioles are even smaller tubes that connect the alveoli. So another very important part of your respiratory system is the diaphragm. Well, this one's really useful. And what your diaphragm does is it basically contracts and moves like down. So it's like it increases the space in your